Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to come like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Come join the Crypto ZX family, and now let's get right into today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Today, guys, looking across the board, we're seeing a little bit of green across the board over the last 24 hours, but as far as the overall market sentiment is concerned, we're still in the very, very shaky end of the spectrum. So that is something we should not be ignoring. But today, I want to look further into Algorand. All right, my Algorand family, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all the support that you guys have been showing me. You guys have been killing it with the support. So continue supporting me, and I will continue making these videos for you guys. And now if we're looking at the price of Algorand, it is currently trading at 24 cents, down 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.5% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Algo's current ranking, the cryptocurrency market ranking, is at that top 31 spot with a market cap of $1.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 58.2 million. Right off the bat, one thing I do want to bring you to your attention is the fact that the overall buying pressure is not on the Algorand side right now, so that is something we do need to keep in mind. But now, let's get right into the price and see what's going on with the price of Algorand, what are some nice next targets that we should be looking at, and what could most likely happen in the next 24 to 48 hours. Looking at the price of Algorand right now on the daily time frame, you guys can see the price of Algorand just 2 days ago has seen a yearly low once again at 22 cents. 22 cents was the yearly low as of now. And still yet, guys, we have not seen the price go down to this level of support, so which is a nice indication as of now, but it should also show us that this level of support around this mark is extremely important for the price of Algorand. This is a decisive factor, and it should not be ignored, and I will tell you exactly why that is, because if I do show you guys the historic price pattern for the price of Algorand, you guys can see this level of support has been first it used to be a level of resistance, as you guys can see, major level of resistance, but then now it's playing as a level of support. After having a massive upwards trend, we have once again come back down to these levels, and we're retesting 2020 levels right now at this point. And you guys can see this level of support has been holding quite strongly. Last time we were below this level of support goes all the way back on July of 2020. So more than 2 years ago was the price of Algorand around below this level of support. So now comes the question, are we about to retest these levels that we have not seen since June? So that's one thing I do want everyone to keep in mind right now, because if we go below this, that would mean a move of about 11% for us to do that. Is that possible? It's definitely a possibility right now, but this level of support should play out. Looking at the price of Bitcoin, on the other hand, not looking good. Bitcoin is not looking good, and I've said this on a continuous basis before we broke out below the 78.6, and we're looking even more dangerous as much as we can be quite honest with you guys. And right now, I do believe that Bitcoin, as I've mentioned on my channel before, that it has more downwards momentum to go, and that is no secret at this point. Algorand does have more, BTC does have more downward momentum to go, and that's no secret right now. I still do believe the capitulation is not yet reached, and so it's going to be around 11K, I believe. That's where I think the bottom of BTC will be. So clearly, if we do take those into consideration, we're clearly not there yet. And what would that do to Algorand's price? So Algorand could go below this level of support, and if we break out of this level of support, guys, then we could be retesting these levels that we have not seen, like I said, since March of 2020. The next major level of support would be around this 10 cents mark, and I believe that would be the absolute bottom for the price of Algorand. Even if the price of BTC were to dip to 11K, I do believe then we could see those price levels come into play, but I don't think that these prices will last too long, in my personal opinion, because like I said, we're not in 2020 anymore. If I do bring out the all-time low for Algorand, all-time low was 10 cents, and like I said, we could retest that. And I know no one wants to hear this. No one wants to hear this. But that's definitely on the plate right now, considering if BTC were to take another hit. But like I said, I don't see those prices holding quite long. Bullish scenario would be if BTC goes back into the 78.6 and starts retesting the 22K mark. That would be extreme bullish outcome in my personal opinion, and that I believe will take us back above this level of resistance at that 42 cents mark. But if you were to ask me what is more likely going to happen, I do believe that BTC is going to see more downwards momentum occurring, to be quite frank with you guys. And if you guys are not aware, Algorand is a proof of stake consensus, and 52% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. So basically around $1 billion worth of Algorand is being staked right now for the long haul. So if you are in for the long haul, you've done your due diligence and research, and you really believe in the project of Algorand, you want to be staking in your coins. By staking, you can earn your passive income, and that basically adds up and becomes way bigger at the end of your unlock period. So I really strongly encourage you guys, especially if you're in for the long haul, to stake yours and earn passive income, and that would help you out in the long haul. But these are some levels that I'm looking at right now. I will keep you guys covered if anything were to happen, an emergency update or an emergency update for you guys, anything that I want you guys to know, I will keep you guys updated on this channel. So do not forget to turn your bell icon next to the subscribe button ready to go, so whenever I upload a video, you guys get notified. That's what I want you guys to do right now. So just take a moment and do that, and I would greatly appreciate that. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. Keep supporting me, and I will bring you guys these updates on a daily basis. I love you all. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.